Tools required. Open the door and remove the 2 screws on the inside left, the 2 on the inside top, and the 3 on the right side of the door. Slide door fascia up just enough to disengage it. Pull it up and out from the top and tuck it in under the door to hold it in place. Remove the 2 screws on the inside top of the door and the 1 screw on the right to remove the door latch assembly. Disconnect the wires on the latching microswitch, the filter wires, and door latching solenoid wires. Cut the cable ties. Unstick the double-sided tape to remove the line filter. Door latching microswitch, door latch, door latching solenoid, manual door latch. Restick the line filter to door latch assembly. Reattach all the wires. 93 and 94 to the solenoid. '70 and 69 to the microswitch. And 68 and 67 to the door latch. Put the assembly into place and install the machine screw on the right side. Then fasten the 2 screws at the top of the door latch. Reinstall the cable ties. Tuck the insulation into place, but before you reinstall the door fascia, check your repair. With the unit powered on, go to the Technician menu and select Diagnostic Tools. Select Component Test, and use the arrows to scroll to Latch. Press On. The door latch will begin to cycle on and off. If the test is successful, press Off and unlatch the door manually. Start from the top and press the door fascia sides in. Use the longer panhead machine screws on the left and near the latch. And the 3 shorter screws on the right side.